She should be here any minute. You know the drill.
Jesus Christ, Gene, calm down. I know the drill.
Oh, Lord. Someone's here. Thank you, Jesus. You've got to help me. You've got to come. Officer.
Any funny business gets you a permanent wheelchair ride. Let's get in the car. Let's go. Let's get in the car. Let's go. Talk all you want, sweetie. I can't hear you. Get in. Move. Across. Go. So, Songbird. Alexis Brownstone, is it these days? You must know how much shit you're in based on how well you tried to hide. A waitress in Kansas. How the mighty have fallen. Am I right or am I right, Scylla? How the mighty have fallen. None of your shit. Not this time. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. End of the line, Songbird. You know, I'd say I'm sorry to see you go, but I remember the things you did. I remember the things you did to me. No mercy. She don't deserve it.
You're not the first person to walk me into the woods with a gun behind my back, you know? You can't fucking hear me. It's all about the right approach. I can play sweet and innocent. Oh, mister, please, I promise, I'm a good girl. Just let me go. Ooh, seduction. I am good at that one. Oops. No. The direct method with you. Always are the best. You even know who or what I am? Guessing not. Jean's not one for details. This is going to be difficult for you to understand, but it's really important for me that you do. And why? Where to start? My mother. She had a power over men. They found her irresistible. They threw themselves to their ruin at her feet. She could care less. Maybe you know my grandmother. They wrote a book about her long time ago. They painted her as the villain, but that's not true, of course. She was the hero, a beautiful, wondrous hero. She called those fucking pricks to their death. What was her line? Come here, renowned Ulysses, honor to the Achaean name, and listen to my song. I know you don't believe me. No one ever does. Yes. They're still with me, you know. My mother, grandmother, those that came before me. Sirens. I'll show you. It is a real shame. We'd have had fun with seduction. Oh well. Don't you dare think this is the end.
Thank you. When she died, she looked like she was singing. I knew I'd hired the right man for the job.
Do you mind if I sing along?